Hey guys, we are going to play another listening game today. We've been talking about compound words, those words that are big words that are made up of two smaller words. So last time we looked at some pictures when we practiced compound words. Today we're just going to use these little magnets and they're going to represent the words in our compound word. So instead of looking at the pictures, this game really focuses on you listening to the words. All right, so the first word is baseball. Okay, that word baseball is made up of two words, base and ball. Remember, baseball is made up of base and ball. So in our game today, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of those away. So base, ball, if I take this one away, what's left? Base. Let's try another one. If my compound word is notebook, let's say that word, notebook. All right, so if it's notebook, that means this part is note and this part is book. Notebook without book is just note. Very good. If I put it back, now we have notebook. All right, let's try another one. Let's think about the compound word moonlight. Moonlight. Say that with me. Moonlight. The first word you hear is moon. The second one is light. Moonlight. If I take this away, what's left? Very good. Just moon. Moon without the light is just moon. But if I put it back, now I have again moonlight. Let's try another one. Say this word, railroad. Railroad. In the compound word railroad, we hear rail and road. Railroad. If I take road away, what's left? Just that first word, rail. If I put it back, now we have rail and road. Let's try a new word. Let's say the word is snowman. Say that word, snowman. So our first word is snow. Our next word is man. Snowman. But if I take this one away, what do we have left? You're right, just the word snow. Snowman without man is just snow. Let's try this one. Let's say our compound word is birthday. The first word is birth. The second is day. Birthday without day is just birth. How about another one? Hamburger. Hamburger. In the word hamburger, we hear ham and burger. Hamburger without the burger is just, that's right, ham. Hamburger without burger is just ham. So boys and girls, remember when you're listening to big words, thinking about the little words in them and hearing one without the other makes us super smart. Keep up the great work and I'll see you soon.